Lennox is also dealing with floods. The city administrator there says only a few homes had water in the basement, but several roads are underwater around town. Kettleland's Matt Holson gives you a look.
It's taking a bit of strategy to get around Lennox today.
Right now we have, I believe, 3 intersections closed in town.
City Administrator Nathan Vanderplatz says rushing water over the road is making travel dangerous. Take a look at this stranded vehicle. We showed up right after the Lennox Fire Department rescued the driver. Vanderplatz is hoping there won't be many more rescues.
We're hoping we don't have to transition from a flood response to a blizzard response. So we'll see what comes, but we'll handle it either way.
Oh, I thought I'd come over and take a look and see how much water was sitting around. There is quite a bit.
Vincent Plucker lives west of Lennox.
We live right by the Vermilion River, and it's surrounding the house right now. I have an idea it's going to get worse before it gets better.
In the meantime, it sounds like local infrastructure, including the Lennox wastewater plant, is holding up.
I believe we had 1.4 million gallons come through the plant yesterday. A normal day for us is 200,000. So that's a lot of water all at one time. We are very happy that we are able to keep those pumps moving and get that water out of the system.
Plucker says staying positive is key.
Well, sure, you have to. It'll be July before too long, so we'll be all right. This is just a passing thing. It'll go away.
In Lennox, Matt Holson, Kettleland News.
Vanderplatz says that Lennox saw most of its snow melt overnight. He says that the city's #1 priority is keeping essential services in good shape.